Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 10th English Medium subject Maths, chapter number 13. Start a new exercise 13.2. First question. So detail are given. So friends, here 13.1 exercise are all about surface area of different six shape. And 13.2 are exercise on a base on the volume of these six shape. It means cube, cubical, cube, cuboidal, cylindrical, cone, sphere and hemisphere. So now in this exercise all question related to the volume of this shape. Now the solid shape in the shape of cone standing on a hemisphere. So cone can be standing on hemisphere. So top is cone and base is hemisphere. So this can be base, hemisphere and this cone. After reading question, hemisphere of the both radius being equal to 1 centimeter and height of cone is equal to the radius. Height of cone is equal to radius, both have same, therefore 1 centimeter height and 1 centimeter radius. According to this question, according to what? According to data, r equal to 1, h equal to 1. Find the volume of solid in term of pi. It means no put value of pi. So pi can be taken as a pi. So volume of solid is equal to which shape? Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h plus hemisphere it means 2 by 3 pi r cube. 3 and 3 are common, pi r and pi r are common, therefore pi r square divided by 3 common, remain part is h plus what? H plus 2 h plus 2 r. Put pi by 3 all equal to 1, 1 plus 2 into r. Pi by 3, 1 as it is, 1 plus 1, 3, these 3 and 3 cancel, therefore answer is equal to pi. Unit centimeter. Now next question. The Rachel's an engineering student. Rachel is an engineering student. Was asked to make a model shape like cylindrical with two cone attached in a two end by using thin aluminum sheet. So after reading this question, figure can be created. Cylindrical shape, and two end, it means cone. This is a height cone and there is a slant height of cone. So diameter of model is equal to 3 centimeter. Diameter of model two end cone is equal to 3 centimeter. Therefore radius 3 by 2 centimeter. Now height of cone is equal to 2 centimeters. Completed here. Now find the volume of this model. Volume of these models. So height of cone find out. Now find the height of this cylindrical. Height of cone, it means this part can be covered 2 centimeter. This part can be covered 2 centimeters, and length of model are given 12 centimeter. Length of model, all are model, therefore all answer will be 12. So this 12 minus 2 and this 2, so you get answer this part. So find this. Height of what cylinder? Height of cylinder is considered as a capital H is equal to total height 12 minus 2 is equal to 8 centimeter. Now find volume of air contained in the models. Ask in question, volume of this air contained in the model is equal to what? Volume of cylinder plus 2 multiplied by volume of cone. Therefore volume of cylinder pi r square h plus 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 pi r square h. What common? Pi r square are common, therefore h plus 2 divided by 3 into small h. Value of pi 22 by 7. Value of r is equal to 3 by 2. Multiply by 3 by 2. Capital H are found 8 plus 2 by 3 into small h. Small h are given in question. Height of cone 2 centimeters. Now this 2 and 2 are cancelled. 11 to 7 into 2 14. 11 into 3 into 3 9. 11 into 9 double 9. 2 into 2 4. 8 plus 4 divided by 3. Now LCM is equal to 3. LCM is equal to 3. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 28. So 16 and these 2 are cancelled. 99 and 3 are cancelled. Double 3 into 2. Answer is 66 centimeter cubes. Now question number 8 in homework. In this question, hint of this question can be given here. Cylindrical part of spherical gas vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter and long, 2 centimeter in diameter. So radius is equal to diameter by 2. It means 2 by 2 is equal to 1 centimeter. So radius of cylindrical are given. Height of cylindrical h can be given is equal to 8 centimeter. Completed. Now next further move. Diameter of spherical part, it means spherical part. Spherical part diameter are given 8.5 centimeter. So you get radius 8.5 divided by 2 centimeter for sphere. So consider as a capital R. Now find out the volume to be checked. Volume in given case 3, 4, 5 centimeter cube. So our answer is near to 3, 4, 5. Check this answer can be right or wrong. So volume of cylindrical plus volume of spherical part. Volume of cylinder, it means pi r square h plus 4 by 3 pi r cube, capital. So put in value and answer can be near by 3, 4, 1. Further, suppose our answer is near, therefore right, and this not near, this is not correct, this volume. So find out this question by itself. Thank you friends.